Now in these questions, we're adding hundredths to tenths. So first, we have 0.7 or 7 tenths plus 0.05 or 5 hundredths. We can set this out as a column addition, but we need to make sure that our decimal points are lined up, because if our decimal points are lined up, then our ones, tenths and hundredths columns will be lined up as well. We can put a 0 in this empty square, because putting a 0 on the end of a decimal number doesn't change the number. All the 0 tells us is that we don't have any hundredths in 7 tenths. So now we can copy the decimal point down into our answer. 0 plus 5 is 5, 7 plus 0 is 7, and 0 plus 0 is 0. So our answer is 0.75. Now we have 0.3 plus 0.08. So again, we can write out the numbers with the decimal points lined up, so that our other place value columns are lined up as well. We can write a 0 in this empty square and copy the decimal point down into our answer. Now 0 plus 8 is 8, 3 plus 0 is 3, and 0 plus 0 is 0. So our answer is 0.38. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.